Guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time zone that you find this video. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use this pressure cooker. This is surgical steel titanium L. It's fantastic. It makes you cook your food without chipping iron into your cooking. Right. It has measurements as well. We have them in different sizes. We got a bigger one than that, and I'm going to use this water, filtered water. Always try to cook with filtered water, okay? Don't cook with mineral water or the bottled water. No, don't cook either cook with tap water. Don't cook with tap water as well. Buy a filter it and cook your food. This comes with measurement, okay? So there it is. I've got my beans in here, and I'm going to use salt. This is Himalaya salt. Try to cook with Himalaya salt. It has a lot of minerals in it, yeah? All right then. So I'm going to add this salt to it. Okay, measure sizable quantity to it. Okay, that's fine. Stir in. I'm going to stir in, and I'm going to cover it with a lid and show you how it cooks. And when it's ready, I'll walk you through as well. So this is it. This is a pressure cooker. Okay, cooker is on. I put it on 3. Yeah, just leave this here. All right, this is the lid. It's very heavy, very heavy. Okay, put it in there. Then I'm going to make it lock. This is open and this is lock, so it's locked now. It's going to start cooking, and when it reaches maximum temperature, it's going to start beeping. And when it starts beeping, I have to just open this and lift it out to release the pressure out. Okay, it makes your food cook nicely. I'm going to cook wache here, or rice and beans. If you're not a Ghanaian, rice and beans, or if you're Jamaican, rice and peas. So the beans is cooking now. Along halfway, I'll come in there and add the rice to it, and then it cook in no time. It cut down the hours in cooking. It makes my cooking effective and efficient. So, when it gets to the end, I'll let you know. To your help, stay blessed. Okay, guys, now it's time to put in the rice. I'm going to open it. This is it. This is how we open it. You can see very hot. This is so heavy. Let me put it here slowly. Right. I've got my rice washed already. Okay. And yeah, the rice is washed already. This is halfway cooked. See, it's halfway cooked, a bit tender. Yeah, halfway cooked. Okay. Now I'm going to flavor it with coconut. This is organic coconut cooking cream. This is, excuse me, this is better than the canned one, okay? Because the canned one, when you open it, you have to use all, or you have to pour it into another container and keep it. But this, I can pour and leave the rest inside this and put it in the fridge. And this is reusable. It's fantastic. If you want to know how to get this particular coconut, please give me a shout. Right, I'm going to shake it, pour some in here to flavor my rice and beans or wache. This is it. I'm going to pour about half of it. All right. So I've got the rest to keep for the next use. Okay. My rice is already washed. It's measured about 4 cups. I'm going to pour it in here. All right. Okay. My beans is also four cups. All right. And then the rice is also 4 cups. This is basmati rice, which is good. It's better than long grain anyway. Okay. Let me do this quickly. This is done, and I'm going to stir in and leave it for about let's say 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes to be ready. There we go. Stir. I'm giving it a very good old stir. Very good old stir. I can't wait to taste my wache. Ooh, and I know you also want to taste, isn't it? Okay, so if you want to know how to get this cookware, guys, just give me a shout, give me a call, text me. If you see this in my YouTube, like, share, and comment, and then give me a shout. Send me a text, WhatsApp, and then I'll do a presentation for you and show you how you can get this cookware. It's fantastic, yeah, okay? yummy creamy rice and peas, or rice and beans. This is black-eyed beans. Okay, my salt, everything is perfect. So I'm going to leave this, cover it. All right, put it in, lock it. This is open, I've locked it. It's locked. I'm going to leave it for about 20 minutes, and my wache or rice and beans will be done. Fantastic. To your health, stay blessed. Hello guys, now I think our food is ready. The wache is ready, the rice and beans is ready, so we're going to check it. Okay, that's how you open it. This is ready. Oh, I can see. Let me put this on the side because this is very heavy. And oh wow, that is ready. That is ready. I'm gonna dish my food. Guys, can you see? Can you see? Woo woo woo. Alright, I'm gonna dish my food, and I'm gonna show you something, how you can combine, foods, with nutrient, add nutrient to your food. Okay. Sorry about the background noise, it's my washing machine. Okay. So I'm dishing my food. I'm gonna turn this off. Wow. This is yummy, 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 yummy. And then normally in Ghana when we eat this, we add spaghetti to eat, and then we add gari to it. I'm going to add all that to it later. Okay, so this is that. I've dished my food. Let me close this. Alright, then keep this there. I'm going to have my stew on top. Okay, that's my stew. Okay. Wow. I'm going to show you something nice. Right, this is done. Okay. Now, let's look at this end. Okay, I've got my wache here. Guess what? This is berries. All kinds of berries, 11 kinds of berries. This gives you 19 kinds of fruits and vegetables. Alright. And this is the omega 5, omega 6, omega 7, omega 8, omega 9. Right, I'm going to add this to my food. I can swallow them whilst I'm eating, because this one bridges the gap between what I eat and what I should eat. Alright, I'm going to eat this rice and beans and a mixed stew. Okay, I need to have a lot of vegetables, though I have some salad. So I'm going to open this, pour it on my food. I take 2 every day. Okay, this is fruit and vegetables from Juice Bars. Okay, so even though I've used good cookware, I've used a healthy cookware to cook this food without chipping iron into my food. At the same time, I'm going to add my capsules to it to add more nutrient, maximize my nutrient. This is going to bridge the gap. Okay, so this is my capsules. Have my food here. This is my vegetables. Pour it in here. Okay, I can choose to swallow it, or another thing I can do, hold on here. I have my few salad here as well. Okay, I have my salad here. I can choose to open this and pour it on my salad as well. Okay, there are different ways you can take your capsules. So guys, there's no excuse. Okay, this is my fruit. There's so many ways to take this, fruit and vegetables. If you can't swallow, don't give excuse. You can pour them in your food and you'll be gone. Okay, yeah. And that's my berries. Going to have my berries. Pour my berries all over my food and my salad. Then when I finish, I'm going to swallow this on its own, because with this one, it's almost finished. I can't open it, so I'm going to swallow that with water. Hold on right there. This This is olive oil. So I'm going to pour olive oil on my salad as well to give me more flavor, because I don't use creams on my salads. I just use olive oil. So there's it. Wow. Fantastic. So guys, you are welcome to join me. This is watered rice and beans, and this is salad with juice plus sprinkle on it. Fantastic. Bridging the gap with what I eat and what I'm supposed to eat. To your health, stay blessed. If you want to, have a look, if you want to have a presentation with a pot, give me a shout. If you want to have a presentation with fruits and vegetables, add more to your food. Listen, if you have Juice Plus, if you're my customer, you have Juice Plus and you don't have the cookware, it's about time you invest into the cookware as well, because you cook your food. The cookware will help you to maximize nutrition as well, because you are cooking a healthy pot. You need to have holistic health. Have a holistic approach to health and wellness. And if you are a Juice Plus partner and you only take Juice Plus and you don't have the cookware, I would advise you to get a cookware, because we cook. We always cook at home, and you need to cook in a healthy cook pot to maximize your nutrients, because food, when you cook in aluminium pot, it chips in metal into your food. But this does not chip metal into your food because it's surgical. The core is very healthy. It can help you to cook healthy without any ions or without any metal chipping into your food. It lasts for it's lifetime guarantee. And then two, it's designed with a technology that when you are cooking beyond the temperature, it gives you the alarm. It calls your attention, then you come back and reduce it. So it traps your nutrients. It helps your food to be oxidated. It fights oxidation. Just like these capsules help you to fight oxidation, the pot as well is designed in a way that when you're cooking, air and light doesn't come in contact with your food. Therefore, there's no oxidation. Oxidation doesn't take place in your cooking. So this is what I do. I cook in a healthy pot, and I take fruits and vegetables. So that makes me whole and balanced. To your health, stay blessed. Cheers.